Absolutely did. I honestly wasn't quite sure what to expect because it is quite a relevant and emotional topic, immigration worldwide at the moment. But coming to Mexico and studying the Mexican immigration issue firsthand has really absolutely blown me away. I've learnt so much about immigration everywhere, comparing it to Australia as well. And just being here has been an amazing experience. Absolutely. You definitely get a real sense of Mexican culture just being in Mexico City. You do loads of cultural activities as well as learning about immigration, human rights and everything that's really relevant with that as well. The university did the program really well. The highlights of the program were definitely some of the visits we did to the migrant shelters, Las Patronas in particular, where you actually give the migrants travelling on the trains food and they haven't eaten in weeks. It was like an incredible experience to just see what they go through. All the charity organisations which help all the migrants were incredible. The amount of effort that people volunteer of their lives to helping people was amazing to see. It really gave you a really sense of humanitarian kindness, really, which was absolutely fantastic. Obviously, there was a lot of cultural trips as well, so we got a huge sense of Mexican culture. We went to all the pyramids. We went to a weekend away in Puebla, which was gorgeous. I've never seen more colourful buildings in my life, and it was just a lot of fun. You got a bit of everything. Yeah. Well, being here, you learn that it is a lot safer than everyone's preconceived notions. The media spreads a lot of bad things, I think, in Australia about Mexico. And as soon as you step off the plane, you just realise, okay, well, I'm gonna be fine. Everyone's so friendly, everyone's absolutely lovely. Yeah, mum and dad at home, after me telling them what it's like, are a lot less worried than what they were before I got here. So it's such a lovely country. Food is fantastic, the people are awesome. I've actually improved my salsa skills, which wasn't expected, but I'm not complaining. Absolutely phenomenal. One of the boys was just saying it's been one of the happiest experiences and the saddest experiences of his life, and I definitely agree. There's been so many highs and lows. You meet incredible people, but obviously the course was quite emotional, learning about migrants and immigration issues, human rights violations, but it's honestly one of the best things I think I've ever done. So I'm very happy with it.
Absolutely, the public health program was incredible. They walk you through all the different steps of the public health system and also how it's administered and what people receive in Mexico. And comparing it to Australia is very interesting. You actually learn a lot about the Australian healthcare system as well as part of it, which is really great. Absolutely. It's an amazing overseas experience. For 4 weeks you get a whole subject included and you have all these cultural experiences on top of it. You stay at a homestay family, which is incredible, and you get to go to school in a Mexican experience. Yeah. So many highlights. We do a lot of field trips, so we go to like a lot of hospitals and a lot of centres that are administering healthcare in Mexico. So that was really great to get a hands-on experience and see it firsthand. But also all the cultural activities. We went to Puebla, which is a really close town, colonised by Spain, so it's very beautiful. And also seeing all of the indigenous kind of elements of it as well. We went to a place called Xochimilco, which was incredible. Well, living in Mexico for a month really changes everything. You get to experience how safe it is here and how the people are, and it's very warm and welcoming. And it changes everything, even the food. You think you know what Mexican food is, but it's completely different, it's delicious. Muy bien. Very, very good. I can't recommend it enough. It's such an incredible overseas experience. You get to learn so much. You also get to make incredible friendships with your class for a whole month. It's really, really great.